Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm Ned from Ned's Tech Bits, and today I wanted to do a teardown of the SQ11 digital camera. These things are supposed to be like, oh, they're so secret, you're gonna be hacking the planet and watching people and putting these in bathrooms and watching ladies take their clothes off and stuff with this one tool. It looks like it has a strip screw in it. One sec, folks. And by the power of the internet and the flathead screwdriver, clip open. So anyways, I believe that this is actually one of the knockoff versions. Ooh, we got a lot of tech crammed in a small area here. I am impressed. I am impressed with what the Chinese can do with a little bit of space and a lot of cheap technology. Okay, what do we got here? Oh yeah, I should probably mention that I dropped this in bleach earlier. It's interesting to see what bleach will do to a unit. Finer. One sec. 6 LED lights, very nice. Oh, that's interesting. The camera filament is right over the CPU. Put the microphone right there.
Hi, Dad.
Chip right there. Hi, Zoe. And yeah, that's what we got. Interesting. So simple. There's a USB battery right next to it. It's interesting how small that we can put things onto a chip. Just like that. Good stuff, good stuff. Anyways, that's it for me, folks. Have a good one. Catch you later.